Hey there, welcome. If you've just finished designing your Wix website and you're itching to share it with friends, clients, or the whole world, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and share your Wix website link, making it super easy to spread the word about your new site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not just one, but a couple of ways to grab your website's URL confidently, whether you're sending it in a quick text or adding it to your email signature. Let's not waste any time, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix website design. This is typically the editing space where you've been working on your site's layout, colors, and pages. It should look familiar if you've spent any time designing your site. From here, you'll see a Publish button, usually at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Publishing your site is a big moment. It's like setting your website free to be seen by the world. If you ever feel a little nervous before hitting Publish, that's totally normal. Just remember, you can always make changes later if you spot something you want to tweak. Once you hit Publish, the system will take a moment to process everything, so hang tight while it loads. This might take a few seconds, and if your site has lots of pages or images, don't worry if it takes a little longer. This is just Wix making sure everything's perfect before it goes live. After a short wait, you'll see a website URL appear. This is the unique web address where your site lives on the internet. Think of this as your website's street address. You'll use it to invite people in. You can usually spot the copy link or copy URL button right there. Click to copy it, and just like that, your site's address is saved to your clipboard. Now you're ready to send that link to anyone you like. Paste it into a text, an email, a social media post, the sky's the limit. If you want to get creative, add it as a clickable link in your Instagram bio or share it in a newsletter. Since your website is now live, anyone with the link can view it anytime from anywhere. But what if you've already closed your editor or you want to find the link later? No worries, Wix has you covered. Head over to your Wix dashboard, which is like the control center for your website. Here's a pro tip. From the dashboard, find the section called Site and Mobile App. Give that a click. This area shows all your websites and gives you access to a bunch of handy tools. Look for your published website in the list. There'll be a thumbnail preview, and most importantly, you'll see the website's URL again. You can copy the link from here as well, which is great if you ever forget where the URL is or just want to double-check you have the most up-to-date address. And that's really all there is to it. Sharing your Wix website is simple once you know where to look for the link. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Got any questions or maybe a tip you want to share? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and I'm always happy to help. Thanks so much for watching and good luck sharing your brand new Wix website with the world.